Welcome to Riotouch channel back. Okay, I'm Emily from Riotouch, and now I will introduce the new functions about the URrecord. This app is to record the classes when the teacher teaches some main points for the students. We already insert to the whiteboard software in this place. Okay, let's go to the setting. This one, you can see the first is about the audio resources. We provide two solutions. So this is the internal audio and the microphone, and also with the different video rate. Now I choose the 12M. Next is about the camera. This version we provide two solutions. One is the front camera, and another one is the high-speed version in this place. Okay, let's try the second one. Okay, just assume that I'm a teacher now, and this is my PPT for the main points of the classes, and now I will write some words for the teaching. Okay, just like this, and also maybe when some teachers in the classes will go to the washroom or for other things, and leave some time, and we can to pause it, and when the teacher come back, we can continue for the record again. Okay, next, when the teachers finished all the classes, we can save the video to the U file, and also can save it to the cloud. Okay, let's try the first one. Save it into the U file and find the record. Okay, already finished it. Okay, let's come back to the U file. Okay, you can see here is the record for the classes. So this app is more convenient for the teachers and the students to watch the classes again after classes. So this one can also help the students to review the knowledge. Okay. In this app, you can find in the more apps. In this place, this is the Riotouch. If the painter you haven't to install this app, now you can go to the App Store and find the Riotouch. You can see with the different model painter. Okay, that's all.